this is Alex from Equilibrium Tuning. Today we're going to be going over how to load a Datalog preset list onto your Accessport.
Hey guys, Jesse here. Today I'm going to show you how to start your custom tune process after receiving the base map file via email. So your email will look like this. It'll be from our tuning department. You'll have your tune file here. It'll be named something different, maybe it might have different letters, but this will be your tune file. And then this is the log list that will be needed for data logging. So we're going to click this, save as, pick where you want to save it in your files, do the same thing with the tune file, save as, save. Now you can open up Accessport Manager. So we're going to import these files onto your Accessport. You'll go to Import Files, and you can import one at a time, both. I just clicked both. Open, click Yes, and now those files are on your Accessport. Alright, and now that you have your log list loaded onto the Accessport, from this page, you'll go up to Gauges. Go up for that green arrow, configure data logging. You'll want to load a Datalog preset. Here you'll find whichever one you downloaded onto your Accessport, so you want to click that. Now it's loaded. You can go back to the gauges, and this is where you're going to start your data logging. You press the middle button to start and stop, and then you're good to go.